Hello friends, welcome to my channel Genius Kids. So today I will come up with a new video about the computational operation. This is the second chapter of the Maths Olympiad. For it is for class 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the second chapter of the Maths Olympiad, and this is a very important chapter. You will get 4 to 7 questions from that particular chapter. Okay. So this is the part 1. I will complete this chapter with 5 6 videos. Why 5 6 videos? Because I will try to give more and more different type of practice question in this exam. Okay. So let's start. So before start, that this computational operation, actually this chapter consists of these four: that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this type of, in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, all these four, with these four you get approx 4 to 7 questions. Okay. Now these different questions are, you get in different way. Different way means that suppose this is a type of question. One is that abacus type of question. Abacus type of question. What is abacus type of question? That you give it two different abacus and you need to find out the addition or subtraction of these two abacus, and you have the um, uh, answer, and you need to select the answer which will be the addition or subtraction from this number. So this is a one type of question. Second type of question is that you get direct questions. Okay, direct questions about addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Okay. Third one is very important, that there is some, you get some question about the properties of this addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay. And the fourth one is that you get some questions is that it is a combination of any of two, maybe addition or subtraction or the multiplication and division or anything. Oh, don't worry, I will cover all these type of questions. So let's start with the properties. So please remember these properties very carefully. Please go for these properties very carefully, because you get one questions from the properties. Okay, and every year there is one question from the properties. Okay. So first one is that properties of addition. There are three properties. One is commutative, or the order property of addition. What is that? Two or more than two numbers can be added in any order. So what is that? It is 2340 plus 1740 is same as 1740 plus 2340. So order does not matter for the summation. Suppose it is 5 plus 3 equal to same as 3 plus 5. Okay. This is a commutative property of addition. Associative property of addition. What is the associative property of addition? Sum of three or more numbers is not affected by their grouping. So if addition is 1000 plus 2000 plus 3000, if we group 1000 plus 2000 plus 3000, the summation is same as this one. And also if we group 2000 plus 3000, or group one group and plus 1000, this is also same. Also another is that one, that is, if we group 1000 plus 3000 plus 2000, then it will all are same. All the in all cases the summation is the same. Okay. Additive property of 0. What is the additive property of 0? This is very important. So when 0 is added to any number, the sum is always the number itself. So if you see example 257 plus 0, it will be 257. If you replace any number in place of 257, you will get the same thing. So any number plus 0, that will be the number. Okay. Next one is the properties of subtraction. Identity property of subtraction. So when 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is the number itself. So any number, so suppose it is 15 minus 0, it will be 15. Any number minus 0, it will be the number. In addition, any number plus 0 is the number. In case of subtraction, any number minus 0, it will be the same number itself. Commutative property of subtraction. While subtracting, exchanging the order of number does change the value. In case of addition, the value cannot change. Okay, after changing the order, but in case of subtracting, this order will be order. If it is change in order of the number, then there is a then the value will be changed. Okay, so suppose 6 minus 3 equal to not 6 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 6. So 6 minus 3 and 3 minus 6 value is completely different. So if you get any question type of like this, that there is an one option that it is giving that 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 6, or for any numbers, then this one is an incorrect one. Subtracting a number from by itself property. So what is that? So when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always zero. So any number, it will be subtracted by that number itself, then it will be zero. So if it is 5 minus 5, it will be 0. It will be 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. So any number minus to that number, particular number, the answer will be 0. Next one is the properties of multiplication. Commutative or order property of multiplication. Two or more than two numbers can be multiplied in any order and their product will always be same. So 5 into 6 equal to 6 into 5, that equal to the 30. Okay, it is same as sum. Associative property of multiplication. When more than two numbers are multiplied, the product will remain same irrespective of how they are grouped. This is same as addition. So 2 into 3 into 4, if we group 2 into 3 into 4, there is a one group, 2 into 4 one group. So for all this, the answer will be always 24. Answer will be the same. It will be applicable for any three numbers. Okay, three or four numbers. Identity property of multiplication. When the number is multiplied by 1, the product is always the number itself. So any number multiplied by 1, that will be that particular number. Okay. Zero property of multiplication. This is also very important, that any number multiplied by 0, the product will be always 0. Always 0. Any number, please note, any number multiplied by 0 should be always, the product will be always 0. Properties of division. Division by 1. So any number divided by 1 should be always that particular number. So any number, it will be divided by 1, that you will get that particular number only. So any number, you put any number, any. So if you put 5 or maybe 500 or maybe 800 or maybe 67, any number you put here, it will get that particular number only. Dividing a number by the same number. If any number is divided by the same number, the result is always 1. This is actually little bit, this is the opposite of this. So, so 15 divided by 15 is always by 1. So any number n, so if we say n divided by n, it is always the 1. Okay. 0 divided by any other number. If 0 is divided by any number, the result is always 0. So any number divided by 0 is always 0. So you see in properties of multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, we can summarize the properties of 0. So any number add with 0, you will get that particular number. Okay. If 0 is subtracted from any number, you will get that particular number. If you multiply 0 with any number, you will always get that answer is 0. And if 0 divided by any number, then it will be always be 0. Please note, no number is divided by 0. It cannot be possible. So 0, this cannot be possible. Okay, there is no answer. If any 0 can be divided by any number, but any number cannot be divided by 0. This can be possible, but these cannot be possible. Okay. Please remember. So let's start with some questions. Okay. So first one is that please find the value of the below. If you see some threes are addition subtraction, so if you see the pair -3 plus 3 it will be 6. Then -3 plus 3 means plus 3 minus 3, so 3 minus 3 0. So 6 plus 0, this 0, again -3 plus 3 0, again -3 plus 3 0, again -3 plus 3 0, and again minus plus 3 0. So answer will be 6. How many hundreds are same as 800 minus 10 tens? So 800 minus 10 tens. 10 means it will be 100. 10 tens. 100. So what will be the minus? It is 700. So how many hundreds are there? It will be the 700s are there. So answer is 7. Next question. A number is added to 15, it becomes 29. If the number is added to 8, then it gives what number? Okay. So if you see this one, this part, so we can write this thing 15 plus something, you will get 29. So what is this number? So what we'll do for in this way? In this case, we just 29 minus 15. So answer is 14. So this one is a 14. Now this 14 is added to 8. Then is get it. So 14 plus 8, it will give you 22. So answer is A, 22. Okay. Fourth one, add 5782 plus 1896. Okay. Which one of the following number in the 100 place of the resulting addition? So let's add 5782 plus 1896. It will be 6, 8. Sorry. It will be 6 to 8, 8, 9, 17, 8, 8, 16, 7, 7, 6, 7, 8. So which in the 100 place? 6 in the 100 place. So answer is 6. In a box, there are 287 apples. Okay. So in there is a basket. There are 287 apples and 369 oranges. So what will be actually written here? How many apples should be added in the box so that the counting of the broad fruits will be equal? So how many apples will be there need to be added here, that will be equal to the number of oranges. So this is 287 plus some apples, that equal to 369. So we need to do this 369 minus 287, and that will give you 82. So answer is B, 82. Okay. A number is subtracted from 6892 to get 3456. So we can write this way: 6892 some minus something, that will give you 3456. If the same number is added to 2705, then it gives what number? So we need to find out that number. So if we find out this particular number, what we need to do? We need to subtract 3456 from 6892. So what is the answer? 6, 3, 4, 3. 3436. So with 3436, next part is we need to add add this to 2705. So we need to add 2705. So it will be 1, 4, 1, 6, 6141. So answer is A, 6141. Understood? So let's remove this all this thing. First one is 82, second one is 6141. Next question. Consider the following two statements. Statement 1, the addition of two even number is not always an even number. Statement 2, the addition of two even number is always an even number. Now let's see friends, this is also a property of an addition of numbers. So if we see what are the even numbers are the numbers that will divisible by 2. That is, and divisible by 2 and there is no remainder. So what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, anything. Okay. So if you see, if we add two even numbers, any two even numbers, 2 plus 4, suppose, you will get 6. 6 is an even number. 6 plus 8, you will get 14. So this is also an even number. So any two even number, if you add it to any even number, it will get an even number. Now, there is a property that any two even number is added, then the summation will be always even. But in case of if there is an even plus an odd number, then what will be the result? Let's check it. So suppose even number is 6, odd number is 5. So what is the answer is 11. So 11 is an odd number. So if we add one even plus one odd, the sum will be always odd. Okay. And if we add two odd numbers, then what will be the sum? If you see the odd number, maybe 5 plus 9, it will be 14. Or 23 plus 13, suppose it will be 36. So it will always the even. So if we add two odd numbers, the sum will be always be even. So here is that the addition statement one is the addition of two even number is not always an even number. It is wrong. The addition of two even number is always an even number. It is correct. So the statement 2, B, that is statement 1 is false and 2 is true. This is the correct option. Okay. Please remember this thing. Okay. Please remember. Next one. Okay. This type of questions many times come in the exam. Okay. So you can expect this type of questions also in the exam. So what is the question? Mr. Ashok has money shown below. Money 2000, 2000, say 510. So how many money Ashok has? 2000 plus 2000 plus 500 plus 10. So it will give you 4510. Okay. Mr. Ashok had 4510 rupees. He bought following items for our son's birthday: cake, card, balloon, and some candle. Okay. So after buying above items, how many money was left with him? So what is the total price of these items? Total price of the items is 1500 plus 650 plus 175 plus 15. So what is the summation? 10, 1, 2, 279 plus 14, 4, 1, 2, 8, 10, 2, 3, 4, 0. So he bought these four items with rupees 2340. So how much money is left after this? So initially he has 4510 rupees. He bought item for 2340 rupees. So what is how many left? It is 0, 7, 1, 2, 2170. So 2170 rupees left. Money is left. Okay. Next question. Difference between two number is 300. Okay. Very good. It is two numbers. I don't know the number. There is another number minus this number is 300. If one of the number is 200 greater than 500. If one number is 200 greater than 500, so what is the number? What is the number? This 200 greater than 500 means it is 500 plus 200. So number is the one number is 700. Okay. So another one number is 700. So what find the other number? What is the other number? Other number is it's 700 minus 300. That will give you 400. So answer will be B, 400. Okay. Neha does Neha does equal quantity of sums every day. If she does 10 number of sums every day, then how many sums she does in the month of August? So every day Neha do 10 number of sums. So how many days in August? There are 31 days in August, not 30. Please remember, August has 31 days. So every day she will do 10 numbers of sums. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So we do it's a repetitive of sum is the repetition of sum is, we can see it's the multiplication. So 31 into 10 and give you answer is 310. So answer is B, 310. Okay. Manoj got from his friends as birthday present 12 colors pencils, 3 toy cards, 3 balls, 1 storybook, 4 teddy bears and 10 chocolates. If he distributed 10 chocolates among his friends, then how many things left with him? So how many birthday presents he got? 12 colors. So if you say 12 plus 3 toy plus 3 ball plus 1 storybook plus 4 teddy bears plus 10 chocolates. So what is the thing? What is the summation of this? 12 plus 3 15 plus 3 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 4 23 and 10 is 33. But he distributed all these chocolates among friends. So actually 33 received and then he distributed these 10 chocolates. So he give away these 10 chocolates from our presents. So how many is left? It will be 23. So 23 things are left now with him after giving this 10 chocolates. Okay. So answer is 23. Okay. Next question. In a school, there are 2349 pupils. 2349 pupils means students. 251 new pupils are admitted into the school and 169 pupils left the school during the year. So how many pupils were there in the school at the end of the year? So there is 2349 of students, 251 pupils are admitted. So it will be addition. So 910, 45, 640, 62. So there is 2,600 students after admitting to 51. Now what happened that 169 pupils are left. So 169 pupils are left. Okay. So how many pupils are there? It is 1, 3, 4, 2. 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1. So 2, 4, 3, 1. Now pupils are there after the end of the year. Okay. Let's remove this thing. Answer is 2, 3. Next question. Deepak had been given 50 sums as a homework. He still has 13 more to do. How many has he completed? So 50 sums as a homework, 30 sums still he has not done. So how many is done? So it will give him the 50 minus 13. That will be the 37. So answer is 13. So he completed 37. If he completed another 13, then his homework 50 will be completed. Okay. Last one. Dipti puts fruit slices on the tray. She puts 40 pineapple slices and 12 fewer orange slices than pineapple slices on the tray. So 50 pineapple slices and 12 fewer orange slices than pineapple slices on the tray. So she puts, so what are the total number of fruit slices on the tray? So pineapple slices are 40. 12 fewer orange slices than pineapple slices. Send the orange slices. What are the orange slices? It is 12 fewer means 40 minus 12, that is 28. So fewer means it will be the less. So it will be the 28. So now what are the total number of fruit slices? Total number of fruit slices is pineapple is 40 and orange is 28. That will be the 68. So answer is A, 68. Okay. So this is all these 15 questions. This is uh, part 1. So in next video I'll come up with another 15 practice test. Okay. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, if it is please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and share this channel among your friends. Thank you friends. I will come up with you a new video very quickly.